Stamped brass, injection molded nylon and delrin. Universal kill style. Dual circuitry allows kill switch to be wired for either ignition kill or magneto kill depending on application. Stamped brass, injection molded nylon and delrin. Replace lanyard if worn, cut or frayed. Dual circuitry allows kill switch to be wired for either ignition kill or magneto kill depending on the application. Warning. Test switch for proper function before each use. 7/16 by 5/8. 5 amp max. Top reviews from the United States. If your boat doesn't start, read this. I wired mine into the M terminals, just like the prior button. Boat would not start. My boat mechanic took the safety clip out and bam, it started up. Apparently it matters the order you connect to the terminals. So if it doesn't work like it should, swap the wires around the other way.